Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody wanted to know how they're going to cut this out of mirror acrylic. It's going to look pretty cool. I don't know what this line is. I don't know if there's a piece of clear acrylic behind there. Possibly so, and so that would be pretty cool. This would be super simple to draw. Just need to figure out what width you want. Go with, let's go with 1 inch thickness. So they'll all be the same. So then I'm going to set my nudge factor on 2 inches. And I'm going to Control D or hit the plus key on the keyboard. This way, by doing this way, all of them will be equally spaced. Now we can take one of these and hit the plus key and rotate it 90 degrees. And actually, let's group these for a second, put them in the center of the page. And then we could take this and go B and put it to the bottom. I actually selected the wrong one first, but that doesn't matter. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to trim off these corners that are too long, because then hopefully I can take this and weld it. That didn't really work, because in this case we want every other one to be connected. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut all the way through here with the virtual segment delete key. And then we're going to cut that line, see what it is doing. So this is going to be a dead space. That one, just every other one. And then this way, and I would strongly suggest using the Smart Fill tool. Let's even use a gold or something close. So that's what that part's going to look like. And by doing that, you kind of welded it all together. So we can get rid of this one. Let's hit P, put this in the center page. Let's left click, right click, red, and make it a hairline. And then just need to figure out, where you want to start. This one's about 4 inches down. So I'm going to use my 3-point curve line. And I'm actually going to go from that node down to there. And then I'm just going to give a little bit of, matter of fact, I'm going to hold down the control button to get a better sweep. Now, instead of cutting stuff away, let's just take the Smart Fill tool. And there you have that item. Now, if he's going to cut a piece of acrylic behind there, then you do his, so let's say he is, and he wants it to be identical. Then you might possibly want to take the virtual segment delete key and delete these things and get a good, so then what we're going to do, we're going to take let's take a rectangle, put it all over it, take the Smart Fill tool, let's do a lighter color, then fill that in, nudge that over. Well, that didn't work like I had planned. Let me, I don't know what, I must have moved something. So whenever you need to go back more than one step, just hit this downward key arrow that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. I get impatient. Well, let's just back up. And that's had to do with, I didn't have my nudge factor set fast, high enough. That's why I'm having to do this. Just back up here. We're going to back up till we don't have a color, because that shouldn't have leaked in there. There we go. I just took the wrong item. So there's our acrylic. So then just take your Smart Fill tool, and if that's the case, and then you could left click, right click, and there's your shape for your acrylic. And if we get rid of all this, select both those and hit P, there's that line I could imaginary see. So this would be on 2 pieces. I think it would be pretty cool, and almost going to need that backing. to hold it up. And you can make, there's probably more bars, thinner bars, and, just depending, I would start with a size like this is 15 inches wide. I don't know how wide you want it to be. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.